Okay, hey guys, so today I'm doing a get ready with me video. So basically I'm getting ready for the rest of my day. So I'm starting off by just cleaning my face. I use the V products. I think they're called like Vichy or something, but I'm basically just washing my face off. Now, usually I do this in the shower, but for some reason, I guess because I was filming, I just decided to do it here for you guys. And then after I clean it thoroughly with my face scrubber, I just get a white rag and I wipe my face off really good. And I also wipe off my edges because I noticed that my edges were a little crusty and dusty. So then I just get a towel and pat dry my face. So next I'm going to start with my general moisturizer. So I put that on my face, and then I'm going to use the V product for the daily moisturizing cream, which also has SPF in it. So it does have like a little bit of the sunblock to keep your skin safe. And then I also use the ordinary caffeine up under my eyes because I get back sometimes, so I just go ahead and use that up under my eyes, and I use my little rolly to kind of like massage that in there along with my hands. And then I go in with my vitamin C serum that I put on my face. I do this at night and in the daytime after I do my other nighttime routine products. So I put this over my entire face, and then I just spray it with, this is an aloe vera spray. So next I'm going to get into this hair because, oh my God, I need some TLC. So I'm just pouring that water out of my bottle and I'm refilling it with some more like warm water. I don't like to use like really cold water. And I'm just spraying my hair really, really good with water. So when I'm combing it, it's not like getting caught up on any kinks or tangles. So yeah, I'm just saturating my hair with water really good. So I'm going to be using mousse. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature, the honey products they have, and then some edge control by Edge Booster. I believe that's who it is. So I'm just combing through my hair first before I add any product. And then I'm just going to take the mousse and kind of distribute it through my hair equally through like the different sections I'm going to put in. So then I'm going to make sure I'm covering my tracks in the back because I notice sometimes I do not cover my track in the back well. I don't know why, but I guess because I can't see it. I just do not cover it with the hair in the back well. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the rest of my hair in the next section and just comb it really good through. I noticed that I like combing my hair before I add product because I feel like when you add the product and comb your hair, you're basically just taking the product back out. So I do like to like comb prior and then add product. And of course, I still do comb it after I add it, but I just noticed that less hair comes out on my brush when I comb it first and then add my product, as well as I do this with my natural hair as well. And so this sew out is just a traditional sew out, but I did leave the perimeter out as well. So if I want to do it in a ponytail, I can. I love my hair so much. Again, I got my hair done by the Real Hair Therapist here in Charlotte, and the stylist, her name is Sade. So yes, love my hair down, guys. So this is just the preparation I'm doing because basically I'm going to do like a wash and go, but I'm not washing it. I'm just wetting it and putting my products. So this was my hair. Next, it's time to do my edges, but as you can see, my edge control is not, doing its thing with me. But I had to fix my edges because I had did them the day prior and I did not like how I did them. So I had to go in and redo my edges, and it was like a little bit of a task because I guess I didn't get all of the old edge control out, so they were being a little bit stubborn. But I'm just going to do my edges. I try not to do them too dramatic and more natural looking because, I'm not a child. So I like to have my edges out because I think it just gives like a pretty clean look. But I do not like them when they're just too dramatic. So these are like my dramatic but not dramatic edges because I'm hoping they look more natural than they look. So like, I don't know how to say it, but like just too much, like how my daughter does her edges, and she is 13. So of course we do them a little bit differently, which if you like to do your edges like more, that's totally fine. I just like to keep mine kind of simple. So I just swoop them. And since this side of my hair, I have a little bit of baldness on that edge, I kind of try to make it to where I'm hiding that. So then I just add my curl activator gel on my hair just to make it heavy so everything lays where I want it to lay. Guys, all the products that I'm using on my hair, I definitely use them in real life. So if you'd like to know what those products are, just let me know and I can leave it in the comments. I'm not going to put it in the description because usually no one asks, but yeah. So this is my hair. The last thing I'm going to do is add some royal oil spray to my edges and to my part. And then then I'm just going to take my oil sheen and just put that all over my hair. I love to get my natural hair done too. So here is me, the finished look. This is me with my hair and makeup done. And then I also got ready, took a shower. I know that was kind of backwards, but this is my shirt. It says, "Have the day you deserve." This is the hair. This is the face. Bye.